I'm going to read a homework assignment. That's all it is. It was a homework assignment from 2006 about degeneration. As natural health counselors, we'll need to be prepared to answer the most often asked questions about cancer. What are those questions? The most frequent might be, how do we protect ourselves from getting cancer? In answering this question, we need to be able to teach the public the cause of cancer, who gets cancer, and what we can do to reverse it, who survives cancer, how to prevent cancer, and what does not prevent cancer. I'll try to answer in a way to inform the individuals who will seek our help. Cancer is a chronic degenerative disease. Chronic diseases are destructive processes. Cancer occurs when normal cells become abnormal from the presence of corrosive substances with which nature is unable to cope. The transformation from a normal cell to a cancer cell is triggered by damage to the DNA. The cancer cell is alien to the rest of the body's cells. It's not listening to the communication of the body and grows out of control. It is a death and disintegration of a part of a living body. These abnormal cells have the ability to travel through the lymph and blood and system and invade other tissues. Everyone is exposed to carcinogens. The immune system recognizes and destroys these cells in a healthy body. If the body is unable to eliminate the abnormal cells, cancer will develop. In today's world of processed foods and pollution, toxic substances exist almost everywhere. They're in the food you eat and the water you drink, from fertilizers, chemicals, and other additives, and the air you breathe, from automobile pollutants, pesticides, and industrial pollutants, and in the drugs you take. If you drink alcohol, or are around new paint or furniture, smoke, or live with a smoker, or eat meat grilled over charcoal, you've accumulated even more toxins in your liver. Environmental toxins are in the fatty tissues of the animals eaten, and they become lodged in the body, which has consumed these animals. We need to avoid and take up fat from animals. The body does not possess the ability to assimilate or utilize inorganic substances such as table salt, baking powder, and drugs. These substances promote irritating conditions in the entire system. They collect and are deposited in some of the out-of-the-way place in the body. In a weak spot or sluggish organ, these inorganic substances can cause cancer. There are ways we can protect ourselves from these toxins and build up our bodies so our bodies are not assaulted by them. Cancer-causing substances must be removed from the environment we live in, or avoided contact with if removal is beyond our control. Cancer cells have an abnormal metabolism that makes them susceptible to change in their environment and change in their functions. They are highly acidic due to their metabolic dysfunction. I'm stopping there.